Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmi. Today we will be discussing an interesting topic, that is how to get new patients through your Facebook page. If you, in my earlier video, we have discussed the 5 reasons why every dental clinic should have a Facebook page. If you have missed that video, the link is there in the description below. And at the end of this video, we will be announcing a contest. So stay tuned till the end to know the details of it. Now let's get started with this topic today. The Facebook page is an indirect patient approach. Now, let me explain this further. Through Facebook page, we are building a community of our potential customers and we are continuously nurturing them by giving value and engaging with them frequently, and thus eventually some of them will become our patients. So, the bigger the community becomes, the higher are the chances of getting new patients. So that's how the dynamic of Facebook page works. Now, let us understand how to build this community with the help of a hypothetical situation. So imagine I'm in Bangalore. I have a clinic in Bangalore. The name of the clinic is Smile Care Clinic. I have just created a random name. I want my clinic to be known for smile designing treatments. Now, based on the location and the treatment, my patients are usually from the age group of 25 to 40 years. Okay, so my potential customers are male or female in the age group of 25 to 40 and who are willing to undergo smile designing treatments. So that is how we have to define our potential customer. Now this can be applied to every clinic. You just need to focus on either one treatment or an age group or both. So I'll give you another example, like a pediatric dentist. If I'm a pediatric dentist, I want my clinic, let's suppose that want my clinic that only for the pediatric patient, but for all the treatments. Then my potential customers are the parents. So like that it works, okay? Now, I have created a page for the Smile Care Clinic. I'll just share my screen with you. There are few features which are common to all the pages, which can be applied easily. But there are few things which are totally, targeted on the potential customer. So we'll discuss the general first and then go into the focus group. So the first thing which I did was uploading the profile photo and the cover photo, which helps people to understand my aim. What do you mean by that is, I have uploaded here in this page smiling photos. The reason was I wanted subconsciously this thing to be etched in their mind that this page has something to do with smile. So that is how it works. So if you are a pediatric dentist, you can put some kids smiling or kids getting treatment in your clinic, or you and a selfie with you and your patients, something like that. So be innovative, think what you can do. So that's the first thing. Second thing what I did was, patients are very impatient, same like us. We don't have time to search what are the working hours, where is the phone number. If everything is there in the first page itself, it becomes very easy. So in the first page itself, we have entered all the details, the address, phone number, working hours, and also I have entered here cosmetic dentist because that is the one I'm focusing at. Now, that was second thing. Third thing which I did was add action button over here. So patients are usually hesitant to take that initial first step. We need to help them with that. So if you have some action button over here, the chances of them taking that step is more rather than not having a button. So let's suppose if they don't have any action button, then if they want to book an appointment, they have to either visit another website where they can book the appointment, or they have to call you and book the appointment. Rather than that, if you have an option ready in front of them, the chances are they will, at least think twice before not booking or booking. Okay, so that's how the action button helps us. Even like for us in LDFS page, we have created a WhatsApp button over here because we wanted people to reach us on WhatsApp. Okay, and in fact, this WhatsApp helped us a lot when we created this ebook. I'll show you that. Yeah, this is the ebook. When we created this ebook, we had added this WhatsApp button over here, and it became so easy for the our community to just get the link of the book that they just have to press this action button and they will be directed to their WhatsApp app, and our chat box will be open, the message will be typed, they just have to press the send button, nothing else. They don't have to edit anything, they don't have to write anything. So this much technology helps us to automate everything. If you use these things, the conversion rate increases a lot. So that is how it works. Now, these are the common things which are there. Another common thing is the reviews. Add reviews of your old patients, of your earlier patients, maybe photos of your before and after cases. So, like in the Smile Care, I will add photos of my before and after cases if I have. So, this is a dummy profile I'm creating, but if I have, I can create those things. If you're a pediatric dentist, you can put some, rehab. If you have done some smile designing for the kids, you can put that, or some other photos, before and after photos. So those things will help increase the credibility of your page. Okay, so these are the general things which can be applied to all the pages. Now let's go into the more specific ones. The more specific one is only one thing, that is the content of your Facebook page. Now, the content of my Facebook page, let's suppose the Smile Care Clinic, I want that content to be slightly dedicated to the smile designing part, but not totally on the smile designing part. So what I'll do is I'll start with a general topic, and in between I'll go into the more focused one. I'll give you examples of it. The general topic will be how to take care of teeth during lockdown. Okay, yeah, how to do teeth whitening at home, something like that. And the more specific ones, I'll go into like what is the difference between smile designing and braces, how much is the cost of it, etc., etc. So when I'm posting a lot of contents over here, and it's easy to get topics for the content. The reason is we are dealing with them in our day-to-day life. We know their problems, we know their queries, we know everything about them. What are the common questions people ask? We know what are they afraid of. So we just need to focus on those topics and make post relevant to that. Even if you want, you can in this page, if I want, I will conduct some live sessions, or maybe I'll offer them smile designing consultation, something like that. So come up with new ideas and keep experimenting with the content based based totally on your potential customers. You need to keep the potential customers in mind and then upload the content according to that. And the best part, in the earlier one also I have explained, earlier video, that there are something known as insights where we can see which post is performing well and which are famous among your followers or the community. So I'll show you the LDFS page. So here is the LDFS page, and mostly the photos are the much engaged thing than the link which we share. And even if you want to see individual posts, we can see that individual posts. So this ebook was very famous in my community, and the other things were no, okay types, like this was more famous. So we can see individual post which was famous. Even I can see when are my fans online, when are they how much what is the ideal time to send them message, etc. So there's a lot of insights which we can see from this. So as such, now when we know what type of content we should add, just keep experimenting with those things and see what the results are. It will take some time for you to get that result, get these results with the insights which I showed you. After having uploading so many posts, we know okay, this is performing good, so you can post the further contents related to that topic. So like that it works. And the other feature, the general features, are for retaining the crowd there. But the content is the only one which will attract new people to your community and help your community to get bigger. So content is the one and the most important thing. The other things are important to retain those people and to help them convert for coming to our clinic. So like that. Now, if you have a clinic and if you have not created a page yet, I would say that this is the best time to create that, because as per the data also, the usage of Facebook has increased a lot during Corona time. And if you right now create a page and start posting your content and start engaging with the community, creating the community, slowly by the end of this year or maybe starting of this year, when the Corona time is gone and you will come back to your normal scenario, you will get the benefits of that community and the time which you have spent now to build that community. So if you have not done that, please go ahead and create it right now. This is the best time to do it. Now, there's one more thing. At the end, I have told you that I'll discuss the contest. We'll be announcing that. So the contest is, we want you all to create your your Facebook page. If you already have Facebook page, just see whether it is optimized in the way we have discussed today, and send us the link on our WhatsApp number. You know our WhatsApp number. So send us a link on those WhatsApp number. We will review each and every link which we get. And also we will choose one lucky winner from those, all the participants. And that lucky winner, the page of that lucky winner will be shown in our video, one of our videos. And the link of that Facebook page will be posted in our YouTube description, as well as in our Facebook page and other social media channels which we have. So instantly that page will be shared with thousands and thousands of people, and they will be getting the immense benefit of the visibility. So go ahead guys, do it. Best of luck. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe us. And this number, you can send us a hi if you want us to send you the messages, the link of the videos, the link of the other free contents on your WhatsApp. Just send a hi on this number. Thank you so much guys. Until next time, bye.